Let me take you back to some of the lessons that you have went through about SEO keywords that you have gone through. So every piece of information that you go put on this website, on the page, is to do with keywords. So this is just beginner's content that I need to give you, or tips, and you can always improve on that on a later stage, but your focus right now should be designing. And in some companies that do this, they have like separate people that specialize on that. So another person is the one who do the design, another person is the one who writes this content. So I'm going to show you a quick tip that you can spend your time on, or you can skip this video if you want. So let's head over to the dashboard. I need to show you just some key steps, or the beginner steps, on how you can optimize some of your pages. So I'm going to go to all pages. I do this on all websites for the clients that we create for, and then I'm going to go to home. Instead of clicking edit with Breezy, I'm just going to click on edit. So what you're going to notice is that if you scroll down at the bottom, you're going to see what is known as meta tags and meta description and keywords. So our homepage, let's say our homepage in this case, we need to talk about how to start a website as a beginner with WordPress and learn, and we've got community features and things like that. So remember, on the lesson on SEO keyword research, we had to put in word on Google and then target that, and then the title is what we need to also add here. So now we need to add the title of this page, of this home page, that we need to add. So the title, we can say learn how to create a website with WordPress. Remember, that is actually a keyword that we'd actually been targeting, and you can actually with WordPress. And then here you need to add a description, just some few words, not exceeding 320 characters. I'm going to go to AI, and then here I'm going to say I need to create meta description for the homepage targeting this keyword. Please write for me not more than 320 characters. Targeting this keyword, I need to add the keyword here. I'm just going to put it in brackets. Okay, not more than 320 characters. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write that for me, write that down for me, and then there we go. We have this is 230 characters. So I'm just going to copy this. Learn how to create a WordPress with most popular platform, blah blah blah. I come here and then I paste here. Okay, and then here I can also add some additional keywords that I need to add here. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, please give me additional related keywords, okay, that I can add. I just need 3. Okay, so this is something that you may spend time on, but at the same time, this kind of work is done by experts, SEO experts. And I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to go edit, and then I'm going to add this keyword, and then I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to add a second keyword, and then I'm going to go and say enter. And then I'm going to add the third keyword, and then I'm going to say enter. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is that I'm just going to hit save. So what I've just done here is to say, if someone searches for these words, there is a bigger chance of our website getting ranked. As you can see, if I can go to preview, this is what the person can actually see when they go on Google, and then that will make them click on this page and then come to the home page. And I'm just going to hit save. Okay, we are talking of optimization. I'm just going to hit save. Another option that this tool gives you, the SEO snippet, is to go to rich snippets. Let me just click on here. I might not talk about this because it's a little bit advanced stuff. Let me just ignore this. And then I'm going to go to Open Graph. I'm going to click on Activate Open Graph. So when you're looking at Open Graph, we are saying that what sort of image do you want to see when people when you share this on social media? So when you share on social media, this is what people are going to see. Okay, and then you can actually edit Open Graph. And then if you need to edit Open Graph, this is the automated snippet that has been added. If you need to edit, let's say you need to change the image, I'm just going to click on Upload. Then I'm going to find an image that I need to use. Maybe I can use this one. I click on Add, and then if I hit Save here, just because I've left this blank, let me see what it shows. This is what it shows. Okay, and then here it says learn how to create a website with WordPress. If I click on Open, and then I need to change the title. I'd say WordPress for beginners. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit save again. And what happens is that save, and then I save that. If I go to preview, what it simply means is that it's still saving here. If I go to preview, this is what people are going to see, WordPress with beginners. And if I need to edit, I can also add text here. And then when it comes to Twitter card again, Twitter card is what people see when you share your page on Twitter. And then visibility basically is when you want to say, I don't want Google to index this page. So when people search, maybe don't want this page to be seen by Google, but it's up to Google to honor that. You know, it can actually bypass that. And then let me just hit save. And another thing that you can do as well is to add a featured image. A featured image is anything that you can select. This works mostly on blog posts. So when we add the featured image, we just save there. And I'm going to cover this on blog posts in depth. And then once I hit save, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh this. So what I've just done here is to do what is known as page optimization. And again, the featured image has actually been added on top of my website, which is what I don't want. And now this is the page that we have. And remember, on optimization, you need to edit this content and the rest of the page. And at the same time, you need to add the details that I've just shown you. And then I come back here. And then what I can do here is, if I don't want that image to be shown, I can then, let's see, maybe we may have to delete this. But if we click on the Astra settings and see if I can disable elements, disable header, disable banner area. Okay, what I'm just going to do is, for now, there are some options that can actually allow you to remove the featured image from there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open these settings, and then I'm going to just delete the featured image. Show featured image in the posts only, but hide in the single view. Okay, I'm just going to hit save, because this is a home page. You don't have to worry about featured image. You're going to learn about it when you're doing the blog post. So one thing that you need to emphasize on meta tags and optimization, there is what is known as a general keyword or a popular keyword. This keyword now is what people search. It's commonly used. So if you need to work on targeting keywords, you need to use advanced tools that are SEO tools that will give you data on, like Keyword Planner, Google Keyword Planner, that can help you identify some of the titles that you can actually put in there. Or if you're working on a local targeted keyword, you can now say learn how to create websites with WordPress in Zimbabwe or in South Africa, in whatever country that you want, or anything in between. But for now, let's just keep it basic, and this is going to help your website rank. So I want you to go ahead, and I'm going to refresh this. I want you to go ahead and do what we have just done for the About Us and the Contact Us. These are the pages that we have, and then we're going to look at the blog on a separate set of lessons, because it's a different case altogether. With that said, please go ahead and share your progress in the community, and I'll be more than happy to assist. And thanks for watching. Bye.